Lancaster Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Lancaster, knowing the steps ahead of time can make the process much smoother. Let me walk you through how it works from start to finish. First, we prepare and e-file your petition and summons with the Los Angeles County Superior Court in the Antelope Valley Courthouse. Next, your spouse is served. If they're cooperative, they can simply sign a form acknowledging receipt to avoid formal service. After that, both of you complete and exchange your financial disclosures, which is required in every California divorce. Once that's done, we draft your settlement agreement to cover property, support, and custody arrangements. Finally, we submit your judgment package to the court for review and approval. We recently helped a Lancaster couple who wanted the process done quickly. By following these steps and avoiding common mistakes, we had their paperwork approved in just a few weeks, without them ever stepping foot in court. At Divorce 661, we handle each step for you so nothing falls through the cracks. Visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation and get your divorce started today.